Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are going to be doing a shampoo process on my client, and I want to show you guys how to use our new Empress collection. This collection is for strengthening damaged hair. It's also great for those of you that are dealing with any form of malnourishment, breakage. Maybe your hair just feels super weak. Maybe you just need to give your hair some TLC. The Empress collection is designed specifically for that. So to start off, I went ahead and dry detangled my client. I always stress how important detangling the hair is before the shampoo process. This is also going to ensure that the shampoo process is a lot easier and your detangle when you get to your conditioning phase is partly done. So to start off, because she had a lot of buildup on her hair, I decided to do what we call a dry shampoo. Now there's two different forms of dry shampooing. There is an actual product called dry shampoo, and then what I'm doing is applying the shampoo to her hair while it is dry before I add any form of water. By me doing this, this is allowing me to extract a lot of the oils from her hair preliminarily. And also keep in mind, you guys, oil and water does not mix. So this is the easiest way to remove excess oils from the hair before you actually start the shampoo process. Once I dry shampoo, I go ahead and add a little bit of water and lather my client up. And then I also use cold/cool water to rinse her on the first rinse. Why? Because cool water solidifies oils. So that is going to help those oils to be removed a lot faster rather than hot water that melts oils and then it becomes a big mixture of just oil and water. So you can use this technique going forward, definitely a pro tip. So to start off, we are going to be using our Amina strengthening shampoo. Amina is also one of the African empresses. This is exactly what this line was named after. And of course, it also was named after myself and my color line. So this line is really dedicated to me. This is why I made it a limited edition collection, because my birthstones are purples. It's purple and blue. But I just wanted to really dedicate something to myself, but also put a little bit of my African heritage into my product line. So Amina is the first part of the process, which is our Herbal sulfate-free strengthening shampoo that is powered by Horsetail Butter. A lot of you have never heard of Horsetail Butter, but best believe Horsetail Butter is comprised of silica. Silica is amazing for the hair in regards to strength and regrowth. It also helps with this blood stimulation or circulation in the scalp. It's amazing for the scalp. It's amazing for the hair. It's also going to help improve that circulation and help improve the look and feel of your hair all at the same time. So I did do a total of 3 shampoos because remember, our first shampoo was a dry shampoo, and I wanted to make sure that I really did get a lot of that excess oil out of her hair. Now this video is not going to be a full styling video. This is more about the shampoo process because a lot of you are really not taking advantage of how important the shampoo process is or the wash day process is. So that's really what we're going to talk a lot about today. Now, once you complete your shampoo process, you do want to make sure that you rinse the hair out thoroughly. You do not want to leave any shampoo behind, and this is very important. While I know we love our shampoos and we think that it helps to clean the hair even more, leaving product in the hair actually helps to dry the hair out, and it becomes what we call product buildup, and that makes in turn even more dry hair. So definitely make sure you are rinsing your hair out thoroughly after each process, no matter if it's shampoo or conditioner. So now we're going to move on to Makeda. Makeda is our deep conditioning mask. This mask is also for strengthening. It helps to improve blood circulation to the follicles in the scalp. It also helps to improve the hair follicles to produce new hair. It helps to rejuvenate damaged hair, and it strengthens the hair shaft. Now this is a deep conditioning mask. So what I did was apply it to her hair. I'm detangling her slightly. You don't have to do the entire detangle. And then I'm actually applying a little bit of our Goddess Hair Repair Serum to her hair rather than using our Nefertiti hair potion. The reason why I did the Goddess Super Growth Serum, your girl got mixed up. The Super Growth Serum is because I wanted to do 2 actions in her process, right? So she went under the dryer for about 15 minutes and then she'll come back and we'll rinse her off. And during the styling phase is when I will add the Nefertiti hair potion when I'm doing her styling or her thermal styling, because I want that to be lasting. So I'm going to do that after the leave-in conditioner. In this case, we did 2 different processes. So we used the super growth serum during the shampoo, and then after her shampoo process, after the leave-in conditioner, we apply the Nefertiti hair potion. The hair potion is also a strengthening potion, you guys. Now what you see me doing is also using a little bit of our Moist Repair conditioner. The reason why I use this is because I want it to soften the hair up. I want you guys to keep in mind, strengthening conditioners and shampoos do not leave the hair super soft, because the goal is to strengthen the hair. So it is okay to go behind with a softening conditioner, such as the Moist Repair or even the 24 karat, which is the Moist Me 24 karat deep conditioning mask, and use it as an instant conditioner to rehydrate and soften your hair. I want you guys to get out of the thought process that all conditioners make the hair soft, because that is not how they are designed. The Empress collection is for strength and strength only. So of course it's going to leave the hair feeling slightly firm, which is very normal, and it is okay to use a softening conditioner just to re-soften the hair before you move into the styling process. Now I'm rinsing her with cool water, of course, because it is the conditioner, and then we'll spray on. Okay, there we go. Rinse it out, squeeze it out. There we go. All right, so then we're gonna towel dry her and apply our leave-in conditioner. Okay, so leave-in conditioner is also super important. Our leave-in conditioner is Nandy. Nandy is another leave-in conditioner that strengthens the hair, but it also does leave it slightly soft as well. But this is your leave-in conditioner. A little goes a very long way. And now we are applying our Nefertiti hair potion to the scalp, because we are not going to rinse this out. This is going to stay on her hair, and we're going to allow that scalp to absorb, and we're going to massage this into her hair. And that is how you use our serums and our products. We always say a little goes a very long way, so do not be afraid to add small amounts here and there. Our products are very lasting, and that is on purpose, you guys. We want to make sure that you get a good amount of products, because these are high-end luxury professional products. So we want to make sure a little goes a long way for you and you have longevity. After I'm finished, I go ahead and massage it in with my fingertips. And then I go through and detangle my client using a wide tooth comb, which, remember, we had already started the detangling process from the beginning and worked our way through. So now I'm just detangling her and rope twisting her to put her under the dryer to dry, in which we move forward with the styling process. Now, I actually did her hair on live, which I will look for that video and put the link in the description box so you can see the finished product. But I wanted you guys to really see her wash day and really see how a wash day truly should work, and also give you guys some cocktails or pro cocktails that I use for different situations. In this regard, we did the super growth serum, the Moist Repair, and also the Nefertiti hair potion. So all 3 can be used, and I always say our products are intermixable. So do not be afraid to make cocktails based on what your hair needs that day. Remember, your wash day is always based on what your hair needs now. Not what it needed last week, not what it needed 3 months ago, but what it needs right now for the health of your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, 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 if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. Bye.